viewers. We're here to present to you our interviewees with their own thoughts and perspectives about pop culture.
We selected 5 students from different departments of Naga College Foundation to answer our questions about pop culture.
How would you define pop culture and what are their characteristics?
I think pop culture, in general, both in the past and also in the present, and also what it could be in the future, I think it's much more like a colorful one, a bright one, that is very contrasting to like the monochrome-like situation or like designs, or like kind of genre that we have in the present.
Yung pop culture po kasi dito is, sa Pilipinas, meron na din pong pop culture na parang inahanin tulad po sa South Korea na Korean group. Ang pop culture po dito is parang binubuo ng mga grupo ng babae, lalaki, or pwedeng mix din po. Dito po kasi parang ipinapakita nila yung kanilang kanya-kanyang talento po.
For me, pag sinabi nating pop culture, based sa aming pag sinabi pop culture is ito yung nausong kultura ngayon. Halimbawa is yung pang millennial or generation X, ganyan. Yung mga kultura na nakikita natin ngayon or yung mga practice nila.
For me, pop culture is a type of music where the artists are American. I know some pop artists that are famous nowadays, like Taylor Swift, Ed Sheeran, and Justin Bieber. The most noticeable characteristics are their kind of songs where we can relate to them and enjoy them. It depends on your type of music.
In your opinion, does pop culture reflect societal values or does it shape them? How?
I think it's both, since pop culture has an effect on how we view society and on how we view the situations, the challenges that we face in the current situation. Also, it's like some kind of reflection on our views, and it represents what we wanted, what we needed, and what we are in this present.
For me po, oo, kasi syempre, sa society natin, kailangan natin na makita kung ano talaga yung meron sa tao. Syempre yun po, nagpo-promote din po yun ng skills ng bilang ng isang tao, at para hinuhubog din po tayo kung like bilang isang tao or bilang isang Pilipino.
For me, yes, nagpapakita siya ng yung societal,
Societal values.
Yes, nagpapakita siya kasi kung ano nakikita mong culture diyan, yan yung values nila. Halimbawa, ang kultura, daw bako siyang pop culture, halimbawa is yung pagmano o yung paggalang mo, ganyang pamamanhikan, nagpapakita siya ng values or pag-care sa sarong bagay.
Do you think different generations have distinct perspective on pop culture? How have you observed these generational differences, if any?
Yes, because each generation has a different era where they lived in. Every era had their own like experiences, happenings, and those happenings affect on how we view pop culture and how we create pop culture itself.
Para po sa akin, meron po. Kasi syempre dati, iba yung kultura dati, saka ngayon iba na. Kasi ngayon, nasa millennial na po. Nasa millennial na yung mga tao, saka may ibang tao na hindi pa rin open-minded about sa pop culture. At may mga tao rin po na until now is processing pa rin sila sa mga kung ano yung nangyayari sa ating bansa.
Dakol, pagbabago. Kung sa culture man lang, kung mahiling tais yung culture kang nakaging panahon, tapos ngunyan, ika-compared mo sila, dako lang ang comparison or different. Halimbawa is pananamit, pananalita, and yung mga pag-uugali. Maging sa pagluto, yung kultura is malaki ang pagkakaiba.
From your perspective, how has digital age and social media influenced the way popular culture trends spread and gained popularity?
Of course, digital age became like the highway of pop culture to really spread around the country, around the world, around societies throughout the years. So one example is, for example, Marilyn Monroe, for example. So she became a pop culture icon back in the United States, but with the development of technology, even us can already access her designs, her movies, whatever like that.
For me po is, syempre, all of the people na, syempre gumagamit po sila ng social media. So, kunyari, may nagpo-post po. Syempre, nakaka-gain na po ng attention yun through promoting it on social media. Syempre, yung mga gumagamit ng social media or technology is, they can access na po doon. Kaya, syempre, parang, for example, like may pinost. Siyempre, share and share na po. Siyempre, marami na pong people na gumagawa ng social media na nakaka-access. Kaya, dun po, parang through the social media platform, parang marami pong tao yung nakaka-access ng mga information po.
Kung pag-ulayan ta si social media, si impact niya and digital, syempre din may iwasan igwang negative and positive impact. Dumang kita sa negative impact is possible na may iba na dahil man siya bagay or dahil man siya proper talaga duman, tigagamit mang giraray, and may positive man siya kasi madali siyang naaraman, mas madaling nagiging aware sa mga tao gamit sa social media kasi just one click, mahiling na kang international. And yung negative effect ka ito, though bako siyang negative, minsan, depende ka sa tao is, dahil manggabos na tao, kayang i-comprehend ang sarong bagay. Kaya minsan, daw ababaw lang si thoughts nila, paghiling nila sala, pero tama ka lang. Different thoughts and different perspective.
Can you discuss a pop culture trend or phenomenon that you believe has transcended cultural boundaries and gained global popularity? How do you think this trend managed to resonate with people from different backgrounds?
Actually, I don't remember a specific example of pop culture. However, I'm just going to state it in general. No? So, in general, pop culture has become much more diverse as we move to the 21st century, where our society became much more liberal as what we are before back then, like in the medieval era, Renaissance era. So, during this time, we became much more inclusive of both the gender, of our different races, ethnicities, and it became much more inclusive that includes all of us. It became much more diverse and much more mixed, which makes it beautiful.
For me po, syempre, lahat ng tao, like yung kanina po sinabi ko, yung being open-minded, dapat, hindi naman po talaga natin mapipilit yung tao kung ayaw po nila sa pop culture, pero may mga tao talaga na parang gustuhan na nila yan kasi syempre, we're Filipino, we need to be, support each other. I guess, yun naman po.
Okay po. Sikat mo niya na culture, feel ko, may akong naram, pero kung maano kita sa kultura kang nakaagi, si mga practice na bayanihan, since culture man siya. And gunyang garo, feel ko, pop culture, naisip ko is, garo, itong pagiging matinabang kang tao, si culture mo, diba? Iyan lang na
Ang pop culture or trend po na sa ngayon ay nakikita natin na nagpo-popular is yung sa mga K-pops, yung mga ganyan po, na na-influence ng South Korea. Then, paano siya nakapag-influence by social media? Nagkaroon tayo ng mga learns and mga learn sa mga South Koreans na kunwari sa mga mga music videos ganyan. Tapos yung mga especially yung mga culture and nila, yung mga language ginagaya na din natin. So feel ko yun yung nakapagpa-popular dito hanggang ngayon, lalo na sa mga teenagers.
As we conduct the interview and review their responses, we have noticed that their viewpoints are somehow similar to each other. But there are some points that the perspective of other interviewees are more relevant to the topic in which focuses on the popular culture. However, it makes sense as we consider the fact that some of them are not familiar with it, but still got the courage to have it as a definition of the current trend. We also appreciate their part of providing some examples like music, clothing, dance, and further informations in each question despite of their tight schedule.
I am Remy Junior T. Montas. I am 18 years old and I am from the College of Teacher Education, major in Social Studies.
Ako po si Alisa Faye Bibonagua from grade 12 Sebasmos, under Gastran po.
My name is Gidaya Edsel Sineri, 21 years old from College of Accountancy and Finance with a course of Bachelor of Science in Accountancy.
My name is Andrea, 18 years old from Department of Engineering.
My name is Christine Lizan May Viejo. I am 18 years old and grade 12 UMS.
So that concludes our interview. We hope that you gain new knowledge and information about pop culture. Thank you for watching!